Welcome to the Moxi Skates YouTube channel. My name is Estrogen and I'm here with my friend Jay. And today we're going to be teaching you in 3 steps how to backside stall. Let's get right into it. I've got some basics to clear out of the way. First, when you're skating up to the side that you're gonna be doing the backside stall, you wanna make sure that you're skating through the flat bottom in a nice, easy knee bend. You may feel a propensity to stand up here because gravity's going in the right direction, perpendicular to the flat. So you may not feel like you need to bend your knees, but you really wanna bend your knees through the flat so you can be ready for the curl. As the ramp is transitioning, this is when you really wanna bend your knees because that's gonna send you up and out of the ramp. But not if you're not looking out and over behind something on top of the deck. So in this case, there's a fence, but usually there's like a railing behind the ramp. When you go through the flat bottom, you wanna set your gaze on that railing so that your hips don't pinch, you don't roll right into the coping, and it'll set yourself out of the ramp and you'll land on the deck. And once you get onto the deck, and here's where the steps come in place. First step, your goal is to just land on the deck and then turn your wheels 90 degrees parallel to the coping and just land parallel stance next to the coping. Think we can do it, Jay?
I think you can show me, yeah.
Okay. These balls. All right, let's get into it. Step 1, land parallel to the coping on the deck. So we're gonna send it onto the deck. We're gonna make sure our bodies get fully out of the ramp, and then we're gonna turn our skates 90 degrees so that we land parallel to coping. I turn right, Jay turns left, but to demonstrate, I'm gonna do it switch for Jay. Make sure you're in a nice knee bend when you land. Okay, let's try again. Land in a real nice knee bend so you're controlled. Nice. Wonderful. Jay also landed in a nice staggered stance. That's gonna give you more stability up there too. Step 2, we're gonna land in a T-stop stance. So one foot will be behind us and on the deck, and then a more weightless foot is gonna be on the coping. So we're doing the same exact drill, except for one foot is going to be on the coping. Still a nice, solid knee bend. Nice. Yep, and then just land a little bit more squatted. We're gonna try it again. Let's try that again. So land nice and squatted. One foot on the coping, one foot on the deck. No. Oh, let's try that again. I think your feet are a little close to each other, like this way, and that you can really let one come out and then just be in a nice knee bend. Good, awesome. The decks are a little short up here. Okay. Let's just do it one, just one for good luck, yeah. Okay, let's try and get our keep our shoulders, both shoulders over our front knee. In a nice knee bend. Yeah, solid. Awesome. Step number 3 is land on the coping in a parallel stance with your head, shoulders, knees, and toes in alignment, and your body more in the ramp, less in the deck. So we're doing the backside stall now. that was it. So this method is like a baby stepping up to the backside stall because with each step, we turn another 90 degrees. One more bonus tip. While you're working through the steps, blend 2 and 3. Even if you don't nail 1, 2, or 3, you can start to blend them and then drop in. And that'll work up some muscle memory to get you thinking or get your mind preparing yourself for the backside stall. So like 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. You wanna try, Jay?
Yeah.
You. Love it. Concludes our how-to backside stall tutorial. Did it work, Jay?
It worked.
It did?
I think so.
Yeah? You got any other tips you wanna
I can't think of any, but maybe they can.
Yeah, put it in the comments if you have any backside stall tips. I know this is a hard one to learn. It took me 6 months and I've got permanent shinner dents from it. What else should we teach you? Do you want to learn anything else? Please put it in the comments. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. And if you don't want to miss what else is coming up next, please subscribe to our channel. We love doing this. It's so fun. I have a terrible bark.